So now that it's fall weather, I am breaking out my apple cinnamon black tea from Lady Slings the Brews. Oh, I've been dying for a cup all day, so let's get one made and try it out. So, scoop the tea into these awesome bags she throws in to each and every mini monthly tea box she offers. Awesome. And going to add water. Oh, it smells so good. You can smell the dried apples and the cinnamon immediately. It is going to be so delicious. And if you're anything like me, you're impatient with tea. So let's speed up some time here. So I let that sit a couple minutes. Look at the rich caramel coloring. Oh, and it smells amazing. It makes my whole kitchen smell like fall. Let's give it a taste. Right away, you could smell and taste the apple and the cinnamon. It's a great balance. It really is good. I didn't add any sugar. No sugar needed. I may add a little honey as the weather changes up and I need a little bit for that itchy, scratchy throat, breathing all that cold wind and stuff like that. But this is perfect just as is. So I encourage you to go out and get some apple cinnamon black tea from Lady Slings the Brews.